That's the washing machine?
That's the washing machine.
I always start recording it too late. When was he flopping over and then he's like, you okay?
And you would too. It's so easy with Venture. You earn unlimited double miles on every purchase every day.
What are you doing?
You're good.
And use your miles to cover the cost.
Dish and Netflix are together. Dish, you can get the Hoppers One DVR with Netflix built in for easy access. So say bye-bye to the hassle of switching remote.
You're funny, Jack. Where'd Ellie go? Where'd Ellie go?
Ellie's in the washing machine. Are you tired now? What are you doing, Jack?
Are you tired, Jack?
It's like diving down.
Okay.
You tired, Jack?
I'm gonna eat you up.
What are you doing? What do you say?
I wanna sit.
Oh no. Give me those. I need to iron those. Not have snotty noses on it.
What are you doing?
What are you doing? Whoa! Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
I'm okay.
Oh, but you're cycling.
What?
Recycling?
Recycling? Where did that come from? That's not what it is.
We'll shoot you out of a cannon. Do you want to get shot out of a cannon? Ready? Boom! You want the cannon? Right. 3, 2,
1.
1.
Left off!
Whoa!
This guy.
What do you say?
Ready? 3, 2, 1. What happened? Plasma!